How to update your MacBook Neo. So it's quite easy. No matter where you are, you're going to go on the top left corner and click the Apple logo. Select System Settings, and you can already see there is one update pending, but click on System Settings. From here, you're going to select General on the left side. And on the right side menu, one of the first options should be Software Update. Click on it. So here you're going to see your current version of macOS, 26.3 in my case. And if there is an update like this one, 26.3.2, it will be over here. And you can click Restart Now if you want the update to take place right away. If not, if you have turned on automatic update, the update will install itself at night when you're not using the computer. You will also have to enter your password, the password of this Mac computer, not the password of your Apple ID. And then press OK. And the screen will turn off and the update will start. Now, if you had, for example, a file open that wasn't saved, it will ask you if you want to save it, or you'll have to close it before the update starts. In my case, nothing was open really, so that's why it started. So let's be patient, and I will come back when this is completed. All right, so for this update, it took around 5 to 6 minutes, and at the end, you'll be presented with this screen where you have to log in, and you'll be able to use your Mac once again normally after finishing. You'll also get a confirmation over here that the update has been successfully installed. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, check my Amazon links if you want to get accessories compatible with your MacBook Neo from Amazon, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment.